In this video, we will show you how to replace your brake pedal pad on this Ford Ranger. This will be mounted directly to your brake pedal. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way under the driver's side dash. Locate your brake pedal. To remove the brake pedal pad, you could carefully reach along the backside and tip up on this. You'll find that it will want to pull away. If you didn't want to use your fingers, you could also carefully use an angled pick. Just use this to make our way along the backside there and gently start pulling it away. Carefully start pulling on this. And there it is, friend. Now that we have that off of there, the next thing that you have to do is give this a close inspection. If your brake pedal looks like it's rotted and weak in any way, you need to go ahead and replace the unit. This one looks like it's in good condition, so we'll continue. Okay friend, let's get ready to install our brand new brake pedal pad. Have a look at the backside. You're going to find that you have an area where the brake pedal will slide into, so we will have to carefully try to stretch this around the brake pedal itself. Now once you do get this in place, you need to confirm that it's completely seated all the way around. You don't want a slippery brake pedal. Double check all the way around here. I'm going to give it a little tug. Okay, at this point, you just want to confirm that it's completely seated as I had mentioned. Other than that, you can go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.